In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide Gmail side panels. This feature can be handy if you're looking to streamline your workspace or simply want a cleaner interface. Let's dive right into the process. First, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account on your computer. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your inbox. You should see your sidebar, which includes options like your inbox, sent mail, and drafts, among others. This is where we'll be focusing our attention today. Now, to hide the side panel, you need to find the hamburger icon. It's the small icon with 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the Gmail page, right above your inbox. Clicking this icon will collapse the sidebar. Doing so helps you gain some additional space on your screen, minimizing any potential distractions. Once you've hidden the panel, you might find that you need it back to navigate between folders or access specific sections in Gmail. To unhide the sidebar, simply click the hamburger icon again. This will restore the sidebar to its full view, allowing you all the functionalities you're familiar with. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts and have them enabled in your Gmail settings, there's a quick way to toggle the side panel view using your keyboard. Press the X key to achieve the same effect as clicking the hamburger icon, making the workflow smoother and quicker, especially if you're managing your emails frequently throughout the day. Remember, if you're working on a smaller screen like a laptop, hiding the sidebar can be particularly useful to maximize your reading and composing space. Always ensure your keyboard shortcuts are enabled to make the most of these features, which you can do via your Gmail settings under the Advanced tab. To fine-tune your Gmail experience further, you may want to explore additional settings under Settings, and then See All Settings. In this section, you'll find a variety of options to customize your email experience, such as choosing which categories appear in your inbox or configuring new email notifications. There you have it, a simple way to manage your Gmail interface by hiding and unhiding the side panels. This little trick can make a big difference in how you interact with your emails, particularly if you're aiming for a clean and distraction-free environment. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. Have a great day and happy emailing.